till Saturday. So today's forecast is a fairly quiet one, mainly dry with some hazy sunshine. But from tomorrow, windy, heavy rain, but feeling milder. And we're talking gales, severe gales for some parts, and torrential rain as well. Now, this is the rainfall accumulation chart. It runs from Wednesday to Saturday. So widely, if we look at the key here, we've got 30 to 50 millimetres. But where we've got the whites, you can see that is 100 millimetres plus. So the Met Office has a weather warning out for Angus and the South East Grampians in Scotland that we could have as much as 200 millimetres on higher ground. That is falling on saturated ground. There's a risk of flooding. On the coast, there'll be some big waves as well. And don't forget the wind. Today, though, it's a quiet start. It's a cold and frosty start in the north. It's milder as we come further south. Here, there's a bit more cloud, and we're seeing some showers coming in through the day across southwest England into southwest Wales, heading in the direction of Northern Ireland. The sunshine will be hazy. This morning, showers in Lincolnshire, Yorkshire and Cumbria tending to fade, and temperatures 11 to about 17 degrees north to south. Now, through this evening and overnight, the rain continues to advance northwards. The wind is going to pick up. It will be more blustery and we'll see more showers coming into the far south of England. With all of this going on, it's not going to be a cold start to the day tomorrow. We're not anticipating any issues with frost, but it's from tomorrow we start to see the arrival of heavier rain and much stronger winds. John and Sal.
OK, Carol, thank you.
Accumulation of rain between Wednesday and Saturday. Now, the key is up here. You can see quite widely we're looking at dark blues. That takes the key between 30 and 50 millimetres of rainfall falling during that duration. But if you look at the white here, that is 100 millimetres plus. And the Met Office has a yellow weather warning out at the moment for Angus and the South East Grampians, where on higher ground we could have as much as 200 millimetres of rainfall. That's falling on already saturated ground, and it could well lead to issues with flooding. Coupled with that, along the coast, there'll be some large waves, and it's going to be very windy in places with gales, even severe gales. But today, it's fairly quiet. For most of us, it's going to be dry. There'll be some hazy sunshine, showers moving across southwest England, clipping southwest Wales, heading in the direction of Northern Ireland as we go through the day. But a lot of hazy sunshine with temperatures 11 to 17 degrees north to south. So just a little bit up on where we were yesterday. Now, through this evening and overnight, the rain continues to migrate northwards, getting into North Wales, northwest England, Northern Ireland and into Scotland. Then some heavier showers follow on behind. It's going to be a blustery night, but it's not going to be a cold one. We're not anticipating any issues with frost. So Storm Babette comes our way during the course of Wednesday. You can see the weather fronts tangled around this storm, and you can see from the isobars as well, the wind is going to be strengthening. So initially, we've got the rain to move away from Scotland. It's clearing northwards. Then a rash of heavy downpours move in across England and Wales and Northern Ireland. Some of those could well prove to be thundery. The wind's going to be picking up through the day, but there'll still be a lot of dry weather. The black circles representing the strength of the wind gusts. So widely from about 30 miles an hour to about 45 miles an hour. Temperature-wise, up. We're looking at 10 to about 19 degrees north to south. As we head into Thursday, strong winds coming in from the North Sea, gales, even severe gales across the north of Scotland, torrential rain across the northeast. There'll be some heavy rain also across northeast England, and a lot of heavy showers across other parts of England, Wales, and a few getting into Northern Ireland. Some of those could also be thundery. Temperatures 11 to 17 degrees. We're not out of the woods even by the time we get to Friday. It's going to be wet. It's going to be windy as well. You see the strong winds coming in from the North Sea. The Northern Isles and the East Coast, gales, even severe gales in places. It's as we head on into the weekend, it turns to drier conditions slowly, less